Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable USB tethering on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, then scroll down and tap on About Phone. From here, just scroll down and tap on Software Information. Now just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now, once you enable developer options, just go back and tap on System Management. And from here, just tap on Developer Options. Now, on this page, just scroll down and tap on Default USB Configuration. And from here, just select USB Tethering. Just like that. And this is how you can enable USB tethering on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.